Making bread is the most magical thing for a cook. Perhaps because bread represents the food par excellence in every culture since the dawn of time, and also because, thanks to the countless varieties of flour on the market, there are endless combinations. As a child, I used to bake bread with my grandmother, and I had a lot of fun kneading. At the time, there were only 1 or 2 types of flour on the market, but today a lifetime is not enough to try all the combinations, and nutritional needs have also changed. I just received a package from Farine Ruggeri, an Italian company that produces flours and blends of flours for baked goods. I was lucky enough. I visited their company in February, right before the lockdown. Not all the departments can be visited, of course, but I met many people who work there, and I particularly appreciated their professionalism and the passion they put in everything they do. At Ruggeri there are many flours and bakery products, so I turned to them when I thought about choosing my basic cooking ingredients. Let's unbox together, shall we? I'm so excited! This is the pizza blend. It seems interesting. Is there anybody who doesn't like pizza in this world? And here, the 7-grain flour I was waiting for. I feel like I'm already tasting the rich flavor of this blend. I particularly like this blend because all these cereals have important nutritional characteristics, and it means that it's not only tasty, but also very healthy. You will see that making bread is very easy. All we need is here, both flour and yeast. Yeast is in a pocket, a special pocket inside the package. All we need is to add some water. Before kneading, let it rest for 5 minutes. We knead well for 10 minutes to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. We let the dough rise for 2 hours. You know what? I want to tell you a story. Come with me. We are in Borgo Pio, very close to the Vatican, and I want to tell you a legend about bread that dates back to the 1600s. In times of famine, flour was very scarce, and the bakers reduced the size of the loaf while keeping the same price. Was the Pope himself to set the size of the loaf, and all the bakers had to respect that by having this shape engraved in this marble slab. It's the first example of controlled price. It's only a legend, but it is very evocative. And now that I'm here, I want to measure the diameter of this mold. Listen, I want to see how good I am at baking. I want to find out if I can make a loaf the same size of the mold. Let's see. I will see you in my kitchen. Here we are. We just take back the dough we left to leaven. It seems like it will be the same size of the mold that we have seen in Borgo Pio. And now we will bake it in the oven at 220 degrees when the oven is already hot, for about 20-25 minutes. I want to give you a little big secret. Remember to put a saucepan with water inside the oven. It helps to maintain the right humidity. Look how beautiful! And it smells so good! And I also won the challenge. And now you can taste it with ham, with fresh cheese, or with extra virgin olive oil. This is just wasted. Buonissima. If you want, you can try Ruggeri farine that can be purchased online. I will leave the link in the description. What is your favorite bread? Let me know and leave a comment. And also consider subscribing. This is Scola la Pasta, the Italian way of making food.